Hey guys, we're making a video on this 2006 Yamaha V-star 650, and I wanted to note something important about the stator. I got to reading on the forums, and it's crucial to have a OEM style gasket, preferably a thick one, because I thought I could make my own gasket, and once I tightened all the bolts to spec, the engine literally would not turn over anymore. So I had to back off each of the screws, and I noticed that the motor started to turn freely once I loosened up the bolts just a tad. So critical to have a proper gasket. I just wanted to note that because there's a lot of folks on the forums that do this job and they make their own gasket for the engine side cover here, and they come across this issue where they think the starter went out or they're having a bad electrical connection. But the reality is you got to take I think it's like a 14 or a 15 millimeter wrench socket and hook it up and actually turn your motor over manually before you finish up and reinstall the foot pegs. I'm going to go ahead and run a time lapse and show the process of me popping this cover back off to reinstall an OEM style gasket. So enjoy. You can see we got it all seated on there, and this time I went a little extra heavy, just a touch on both sides with the gasket maker. A lot of folks would typically probably not put as much gasket maker as I did, but now it's finally turning over the way it's supposed to, which is key. Now we're turning over just fine, no problems whatsoever. So that's perfect. Before, it wasn't doing any of that. We weren't able to turn it over at all because of that gasket. So definitely have to have the stator gasket in place. Next, we're going to go ahead. I already have the carbs cleaned out. So next, it's going to be a matter of putting in the original OEM fuel pump that we have, and we'll probably make another video of that. So if you're looking for a playlist, I'm trying to put one together on the channel. Hopefully it can help some folks out there that have a V-star 650 and they can learn from our mistakes. But as always, appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see y'all on the next video.